Who invented math? It's a cosmic question. No single genius, no sudden flash. Math began with a simple need: to understand our unfolding world, to count, to measure, to predict. Imagine a time before numbers explicitly existed. Early humans were keen observers. They used their fingers, pebbles, and notches, simple yet profound. Consider the famous Ishango bone, discovered in Africa, over 20,000 years old. These markings weren't random scratches, perhaps lunar phase tallies. Early minds were already thinking mathematically. Math wasn't an abstract pursuit. It was a vital, practical tool, essential for survival. How many hunters were needed? How much food to gather? When would seasons change? Math gave the early answers. Let's journey to ancient Mesopotamia, around 3000 BCE. The Sumerians were busy people. They built cities, farmed land. They needed advanced mathematics. For commerce, building, studying stars, they used a base 60 system. We see its echoes today. In minutes, hours, and degrees, 60 is divisible by many numbers, making calculations easier. They created early multiplication tables. Now let's sail to ancient Egypt around the same time. Egyptians needed math for pyramids, measuring land after Nile floods. Their numerical system used hieroglyphs, a decimal system based on 10. They understood fractions, mainly unit fractions. Their geometry was practical for construction and surveying, impressive feats for their time. Across the globe, brilliant ideas bloomed. In ancient India, a revolution happened. Around the 5th century CE, Indian mathematicians gifted us zero, a concept that changed everything. Zero wasn't just a placeholder, it became a number itself. This invention changed mathematics. Complex calculations became easier, the decimal system flourished, thanks to scholars like Brahmagupta. In ancient Mesoamerica, ingenuity sparked. The Mayans developed unique mathematics, independently of the Old World. They had a concept of zero, using a shell symbol. This parallel development shows something amazing. Great ideas can arise in different places. Zero unlocked new mathematical worlds, a universally felt need. Section 4, the Greek Renaissance, from practicality to philosophy. Let's visit ancient Greece. From 600 BCE to 300 CE, Greeks transformed mathematics from a practical tool to a philosophical discipline. They asked why, not just how. Think of Pythagoras. All is number, he believed. His theorem about right triangles. Numbers as the essence of the cosmos. Then came Euclid around 300 BCE. His book Elements changed history, laying down rules for geometry, using logic and proof. And Archimedes. He worked with circles, calculated pi, used math for inventions, showing the power of mathematics. Section 5, the Golden Age of Algebra and the Birth of Calculus. After ancient Greece, knowledge passed to the Islamic Golden Age. From the 8th to 14th centuries, scholars preserved Greek knowledge and innovated significantly, especially in algebra. Meet al-Khwarizmi, around the 9th century. He wrote a groundbreaking book on calculation, gave us the term algebra, meaning reunion of broken parts. This became modern algebra, solving for the unknown. Islamic scholars advanced algebra, studied number theory and trigonometry, bridged classical wisdom with the European Renaissance. Centuries later, Newton and Leibniz discovered calculus, the mathematics of continuous change. Section 6, a never-ending story: math, humanity's collective masterpiece. Who created mathematics? The answer is clear. It was everyone, all of us, not one person or culture, a collective human effort, a story woven through millennia, each culture adding its thread. From ancient tally marks to Mesopotamia's base 60 system, Egyptian geometry for building wonders, India's gift of zero, Mayan mathematics and zero, Greek logical proofs and philosophy, Islamic development of algebra, the calculus revolution. Today, math is everywhere, the language of science, the backbone of technology. Math helps us understand the cosmos, a testament to human ingenuity.